Hi everyone, welcome to another hashtag Two Crafters One Design as well as hashtag Satmore Makes. Hashtag Satmore Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood and I'll have her link down below. Hashtag Two Crafters One Design is hosted by myself, UCY Amadiva, and Girliest Cards. So I'll have their links down below as well. This week's theme was Christmas in July. Next week's theme will be birthday. So make any kind of birthday project you would like and use our hashtag Two Crafters One Design. And make sure you enter that into hashtag Satmore Makes. All right, so starting out, I am using Fun Christmas Paper Pack by My Creative Time, and I'm using this one right here. And then this is also from My Creative Time. I'm using the Merry Christmas die. I'm just using the inside layer. From CC Designs, I am using penguins, and this might be still in their store and it's on clearance right now, so you could be able to go over there and pick that up. And I'm using this one as well as this one. And then from CC Designs as well, I am using these circle die. Anyways, there it goes. Love how it turned out. I did heat emboss the penguins, and I also added some glossy accents on there. I cut this out in the red paper. I want to say this might be that tomato red that came from her springtime paper pack, but I'm not definite. But love how that turned out. I forgot to get that other die that I used right here to make the little snow mound, and then I just used that circle to cut it round and even with the background die there. And those are from CC Designs. And then there goes the inside of that. I love how it turned out. So if you'd like to join in on this challenge, make sure you use those hashtags down below. I'll have the links to everyone's channels, and that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you check out the pictures at the end.